Hi everyone! Are you having difficulty when using external microphone adapter with your GoPro Hero 7, Hero 6 and Hero 5? Then this is the solution for you. This is Ulanzi protective case for your GoPro Hero 7, Hero 5 and Hero 6 action cameras. By using this one, it will be very easy to use external microphone adapter with your GoPro Hero action cameras. But before looking at this one, let's see how difficult it is to use external microphone adapter with other GoPro cases. For instance, this case comes together with GoPro, and as you see, there is no side pockets or there is no hot shoe on top of this one or on the sides, so you cannot use any accessory with this standard case. There is one case like this here. This case has hot shoe adapter here, so you can put your microphone there, here. And let me insert this action camera here, like this. So action camera is here. And let me put this action camera on top of this monopod, like this. So now GoPro Hero 7 action camera is on the monopod. And when you want to use external microphone adapter, you need to put it like that. And as you see, 3.5 mm external microphone adapter is hanging on air. Let me connect this cable. And as you see now, 3.5 mm external microphone adapter is like that. So it is almost hanging on the air like this. But Ulanzi came with a useful solution with this protective case. Let me disconnect this. This is Ulanzi protective case, and as you see, there is a pocket here. To this pocket you can insert your 3.5 mm external microphone adapter. So this is our 3.5 mm external microphone adapter for GoPro Hero action cameras. So we will insert it like that. Okay, like that. Take it in like this. Okay, like that. And then this is the cover. We will just press down and then slide out like that. So now we open the cover and we will insert our action camera inside this case. Our action camera goes in like that, and then we will cover again. And now as you see, our action camera is inside this protective case. This is how microphone adapter looks like that. We will just connect it like this. And now we have connected our 3.5 mm external microphone adapter to our Hero action cameras. And now we can connect external microphone. I am now connecting external microphone on top of hot shoe. And then here we will connect microphone cable to our microphone adapter. And now we have connected microphone to our microphone adapter thanks to this protective case. And now we can use it very efficiently in our monopod. And now as you see, we can use our GoPro Hero 7 action camera on top of monopod efficiently like that. So Ulanzi protective case is an efficient accessory for us if we are using external microphone adapter when we are recording videos. I hope you liked this short video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. Until we see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.